What's up, everybody? This is Pip Surfer for a Cowabunga update. It's been a while since I posted, and I've just been really busy. Some of you might know that I just recently got married, went on a honeymoon, so I've just been kind of doing a bunch of stuff, but I haven't forgot about trading. Never can. I love it. So I've just been really busy, and just now have had some time to start doing video updates again, and also written updates as well. I hope you guys have been sticking to the system. I haven't really checked on how the market's been doing, but hopefully you've been sticking to the rules and staying disciplined, because that's the most important thing you can do whenever you trade any kind of system. So today I wanted to go ahead and just jump right into it. You can see I have open a 15-minute chart and a 4-hour chart. So first thing we always do is look at our trend. So I'm opening up a 4-hour chart right here, and you can see that right here we have, this is midnight right here, and this goes all the way up to the 12 o'clock noon candle today. You can see that early on the trend was still up, as you can see from this trend change candle right here. The trend was up all the way until 8 a.m. From 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. this purple candle right here, there was a new trend change candle that formed, and after 8 a.m. then the trend stayed down. So up until 8 a.m. we are looking for long trades, and after 8 a.m. only looking for short trades. So that was the game plan for today, and what I'm going to do is just go back down to my 15-minute chart, and I'll just rewind it all the way back to the start of today. Alright, so we're about midnight here, and what I'm going to do is just simply move forward with my chart one candle at a time. And here you could see that at 1:15 we had a crossover indicated by this black candle. The black candle indicates a crossover to the upside, and we are looking for long trades at this point. So now we just got to check and see if the indicators match, and you can see that RSI is above 50 here. Stochastics are trending up, and we have MACD, which is negative and is gaining value. So all the indicators match up, and we do have a valid entry here. So we're going to go ahead and enter as close to the close of this candle as possible, which is around 99.35, and we're about 15 pips from the nearest 50 or zero level. So I'm going to go ahead and set my target at the 50 level, right around here. Okay. And now we place our trade, we're in, and we just got to sit back and see what happens. By the way, our stop is at the most recent swing low, which is right here. And the low of this candle is at 99.20, so I'm going to go ahead and set a candle here. And now we just simply move forward. And you can see that our target was hit here at 2:15. The price reached a high at 99.54 and closed right around 99.51. This is pretty close to my target, so I don't really see a huge break here, so I'm going to go ahead and take my final profit. It's about 15 pips there. Remember, these aren't including the spreads, so your profit and loss is going to be different depending on your entry and the spreads that your broker gives you. So this trade was a winner, although it's kind of small, but still can't complain about winning pips. And I'll just go ahead and keep moving forward. And here we have a crossover to the short side, but it's only 3:45 a.m. so we're still looking for long trades. So we're just going to keep going forward. And here we have another crossover to the long side right here. It's 5:30 a.m. The close is at 99.50. Now let's see if the other indicators match up, and we see that RSI is above 50, stochastics trending up, and MACD is negative and has gained value. So this is another valid entry. Since we closed right at 50, I'm just going to go ahead and take my profit target to the closest zero level, which is at 2. And then as always, our stop loss is going to the swing low right here, which is at 99.21. And once again, we're just going to let our trade go forward. And so we'll keep going, and you can see that we got stopped out here right around 6 a.m. And one thing I did forget to mention in the beginning is that before I even start trading, I do like to look at the news, what's coming up, any important news events. I definitely want to make sure that I watch out for those. So I'll take a look at the calendar. And today, the only really big thing I was looking at was the consumer confidence. Now, you did see that big move at 6 a.m. I didn't regard it as an important news event, but you saw that huge move, and it's probably due to this big surprising number. You can see that the forecast was minus 15. The previous was minus 9, so you could see that there was a big drop there to minus 36. So that probably caused that huge drop, which, you know, it had happened sometimes. You know, news can be tricky at any time, but fortunately that wasn't one that I was looking for. So I did get stopped out there. So that was about a 30 pip loss. So not too happy at that point, but you got to keep on going. So it's still 6 a.m. We're still looking for long trades. All right, so we keep moving forward, one candle at a time. You can see that price is starting to move down. Okay, now we have 8 o'clock. Now if we go back to our 4-hour candle, this is what we would see at 8 o'clock by this point. You can see that the candle is it's crossed over to the short side. RSI is below 50 and stochastics are trending down. This indicates that a trend change candle has formed, and now from now on we are looking for short trades only. So we have to shift gears here. Instead of looking for long trades, we're now only looking for short trades. So I continue to move on. You can see that price basically just after this news came out, the dollar pretty much just gained momentum and continued to fight hard against the sterling, and you can see that there was just a big drop there in the pound. So unfortunately we didn't get any short trades there towards the end, and we did end up taking a loss for the day, but it's a really small loss. And you know, the thing you want to remember is that, you know, take small losses. You know, it's fine. That the point is you want to follow the rules. Make sure that you're following your money management rules, because you can take a series of losses, and as long as you're following money management, you should be okay. And what you want to do is when you get wins, try to get them big. Try to get big wins, you know, as often as you can. So that's the whole point here. So keep your losses small, and of course try to gain as much as you can. It's more of, you know, an art than a science. So keep sticking to it. That's the update for today, Tuesday, July 29th. And as much as possible, I'm really going to try to make these video updates so that you all can see them visually, see my charts, and hopefully you're getting the same thing. And I really want this blog to be a benefit to all of you. So keep pipping, keep trucking, and I am Pip Surfer. I will see you all next time.